god. I'm dying.
My head hurts.
My nose hurts. Here it is. You know how to get me tissue. Huh? Yeah. Okay. Huh?
Shoes.
Thank you. That works.
Shouldn't you be getting ready because Justin gets off at 5?
What the fuck? Right? Ew.
That's your real attractive, huh?
I know. Fuck my life. Why me?
The Deep Dreamer 101 is fighting for you. Deep Dreamer is fighting for you.
Holy fuck, Dina, I need help.
What?
I need help.
I ain't touching those. It's green, too. Nasty.
Fuck, I gotta sneeze again. Yeah. I'm gonna die. Got it, what's my life? Do I look kissable now? I'm horrible for acting sick. Trust me, I'm pretty sick. Thank you. My hair. Okay.
That's real attractive.
I know, right? What? What about a brush? Oh my god. You don't want to bring me the whole thingy because I'm gonna need a lot more tissues. Don't even have a trash can around me. I'll just set it right there. I think I'm allergic. Allergies, yes. Okay, hold on. Some. Bless you. Thank you. Sorry.
Good brush there.
Thank you.
Friends.
And I've been keeping all the letters that I wrote to you.
Bless you.
Did I keep it? You can't
My
share.
baby, how
I'm not blowing my nose in your
Please, look, I didn't. Here, please. There, there's nothing right there. Look.
my words were cold.
Wow.
You deserve more than that. Another airplane.
No, we're not a couple.
Another plane. Time left me, I know, but I wanna go home. I got to go
What you trying to
home.
score?
Let me go
Oh, come on, my allergies
I'm just too far from where you are.
We both have allergies, so we're sneezing.
Yeah, I need a new tattoo.
Comfortable.
Dude, I'm not going to do anything. Please take your pictures.
Like I just stepped outside when everything was going right. And I know just why you could not be along with me. That this was not your dream, but you always believed in me.
Ew.
Another winter day has come and gone away. Maybe Paris, Rome, and I wanna go home.
All over my face.
Let me go home. And I'm surrounded by a million people I still feel alone. Let me go home. Oh, I miss you, you know.
So sick.
Let me go home. I've had my fun. Baby, I'm done. I gotta go home. Let me go home.
Nope, I have sneezed. Chill. Oh shit, sorry. Chill. Oh, Jesus. Oh, I think.
Did you see my stuff? This is the avocado one. My avocado one.
I've just sneezed, but it won't happen.
Wow.
Chill. Never mind. I just sneezed. I got it.
It can make you hang.
Bless his style. Well, thank you, brother.
Jeopardize everything you've worked
Chill.
for.
I'll be right back. I'm going to sneeze. Holy crap. Too fast.